morning from Hamburg, Germany. It is the final days of fall here in the north, and we've got some color kicking around. So yeah, let's see if we can get some nice photos. Starts right now. Let's go. Yes, and good morning once again from the Hirschpark. Hirsch in German is one of the words for deer, and you can see a few of them in the background here on the other side of the fence. There's a beautiful kind of duck pond area here near the Elbe River, Oliver, by the way, in the background. And I've never been here before, which is kind of crazy, actually. It's a really, really nice location, not very far from my house. So when Oliver suggested we come here for the fall colors, I was like, hell yeah, that sounds good. Not realizing that Hirschpark actually means that there's going to be deer here. So nice surprise this morning. And yeah, a couple really good looking ones here. The sort of white fur against the green background. It's very early. The sun hasn't risen yet. So pretty nice start. And fall colors are looking good too. All right, sun's up, getting some absolutely amazing details of like the dew on the grass and some of these flowers and the roses. And what it's all about is really the sun coming through the trees and filtering through these leaves and trying to get some beautiful scenes like this one. There's a really classic photo here down this alley that I'm going to try and get right now. So that's what we're here for. Hopefully it turns out. And good morning from this very classic alley shot with a beautiful sunstar. I'm shooting f/22 on the 24 to 105 Sony f4 lens, and I'm getting a really nice sunstar. I think it's looking pretty good. I'm doing continuous bracketing to try and save a little bit of the information in the shadows. It looks pretty nice. It's kind of cheesy with the sunstar right in the middle, but I'll be able to clone out a little bit of the flares from the sun and hopefully end up with a pretty nice photo. But one thing I do want to do here is put the 7200 back on and actually zoom right in and compress the scene, and then wait for a subject, somebody running or walking a dog or whatever, and get that photo, because the what is it, like filtered light that's going through the leaves above us, I think it's going to look a lot better with the 7200 than this kind of cheesy classic sunstar photo. It still looks all right, but I think for the actual photo and getting that nice detail in that morning light, compressing the scene is really going to work. The 7200 looks really nice. I like that it compresses this scene and allows me to kind of focus on a subject, and then just waiting for somebody either walking their dog or running or riding a bike. Or if you've got Oliver Preuss in a red jacket, can't go wrong with a red jacket. And it looks nice. The alley is perfect for photography, and this is nice conditions here with this beautiful fall weather. So this is it for our fall in Hamburg. We think that this is kind of the end of the color, especially for me, as I'm going to Croatia and Montenegro next week. So I'll be gone for a couple weeks. I think it's 13 days down in the Adriatic region. So by the time I get back, I expect most of these leaves to be gone. So yeah, final fall colors. Hope you guys are enjoying the autumn season where you are, or the spring in Australia, in the Southern Hemisphere, South America. So yeah, enjoy it, get outside, get some photos, and I will see you on the next video, probably from Croatia.